Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Ratio Problems Worksheet. In this worksheet, we're given 6 problems in the area of ratio. Now, we have an interesting situation here because in some of the problems 2 people are mentioned, in some of the others 3 or more are mentioned. And in each of the problems, all the people share a particular amount in a given ratio. That's the important thing. All of the people share a particular amount, whether it be money, marbles, or anything else, in a particular ratio. We are given the exact amount that one of the people receives. We are asked to work out the shares of all the other people. So that's the object of the lesson today. Now, let's look at the first one. Solve each of the following ratio problems. Tom and Jack share some money in the ratio 3:8. If Tom gets $36, what is Jack's share? So basically we have a ratio, we have the share of one person, and we can work out the share of the other person. Now, if you're not sure what to proceed or you're a little bit confused, on the next slide there's a link because we've had a lesson on this. Click on the link. It will take you to the lesson. It will show you how to do all these examples. Number 2, Sid, Paul and Ted share marbles in the ratio 2:3:5. If Paul gets 45 marbles, how many marbles do Sid and Ted receive? So we've got 3 people. We have 3 ratios, or 3 numbers. There's the ratio with 3 terms. Paul is mentioned second. That's important. Remember, order is important. So his part is 45. Knowing all that information, we can work out how many marbles Sid receives and how many marbles Ted receives. So basically all the problems are the same. Order is important. We're given the ratios, and all we have to do is work out the shares of all the other people when we are given the share of one person. That can be done. So that's the object of the whole lesson. And speaking of lessons, on the next slide there's a link to the actual lesson on this topic. So if you need any help, just go to that, click on the link, and it will show you how to do all of these examples.